This moth knows the name of this lie. 20 seconds of orbit, a silent plot. Sodium lamp buzzes, a purple sigh. Wet lines on the asphalt beneath the blue sky. Pavement listens, waiting for the sound. No one else around. Flicker, flicker, what do you see? About to confess or set me free? Orbit tightens, a desperate plea for a moment of gravity. Last car in lavender light, still parked, but half a foot off the ground tonight. Engine off, but the hum is deep. Secrets the lonely asphalt keep. Headlights dead, a fogged up pane. Don't light a passenger through the rain. Remember the highway miles erased. Now just this stillness, a forgotten space. A shadow crosses, a silent guest, putting memory to the test. Flicker, flicker, a moment of doubt. Is this a signal or fading out? Shadow falls across the glass. Time moves so slow it seems to pass. Last car in lavender light, still parked, but half a foot off the ground tonight. Engine off, but the hum is deep. Secrets the lonely asphalt keep. Puddles pulse with the phantom bass. Your silhouette in this empty place. A tender defiance, a slow burn grace, lifting off this liminal space. Last car, lift off the line. I'm the only one who knows you're mine. Engine hums, but it won't ignite. Hanging here in the purple light. Moth lands softly on the roof. Lamp steady, silent proof. Door unlocks on the downbeats fall, finally answering the call. Engine hums, a breath held tight, gone from the lavender light.